nourish you with Edu Masala. Chapter 7 Genetics of the Future. Indicators 1. Change brought about in the genetic constitution of bacteria. Insulin gene is incorporated with the plasmid of bacteria. New trait found in this bacterium. Answer: insulin production. Ability of production of insulin by succeeding generations of this bacterium. The genes responsible for insulin production pass to next generation, and from succeeding generations inactive insulin is produced. Indicators 2. Cutting of gene. The enzyme restriction endonuclease is used to cut genes. Ligation or insertion of gene. The enzyme ligase is used for joining. Vectors. Vectors are used to transfer gene from an organism to another one. Indicators 3. Relevance of Human Genome Project. Human Genome Project started to identify the exact gene responsible for a specific trait and its location, and to use this information to control genetic diseases. Benefit of gene mapping. Gene mapping helps to identify the location of a gene in the DNA responsible for a particular trait. Indicators 4. Basis of the technology of DNA fingerprinting. The arrangement of nucleotides in each person also differs. This is the basis of DNA fingerprinting. Scope of DNA fingerprinting. To identify real parents in cases of parental dispute. To identify persons found after a long period of missing due to natural calamities or wars. To identify culprits from the suspected ones. Let us assess. First question: which of the following is not a part of modern genetic engineering? A. DNA profiling. B. Gene mapping. C. DNA fingerprinting. D. X-ray diffraction. The answer is D. X-ray diffraction. Second question. Gene therapy is an example of the boons of science for human existence. What is gene therapy? Gene therapy is a method of treatment in which the genes that are responsible for genetic diseases are removed and normal functional genes are inserted in their place. B. What was the discovery that led to gene therapy? Answer: gene mapping. C. How does gene therapy become useful to human beings? Answer: gene therapy is useful to treat and control genetic diseases. Third question. Since genetic engineering has many harmful effects, it shouldn't be promoted. Do you agree with this statement? Why? No. Even though genetic engineering has some harmful effects, it has many advantages too. For example, through genetic engineering, it is possible to treat genetic diseases. It is very helpful to identify culprits involved in different crimes and to produce different substances involved in different treatments. Thank you.